Hello, my name's Kerry Lewis and I'm a member of the MrProf.com writing team. Today I'm going to talk about how to use the semicolon with however and similar words. However is a transition word or a conjunctive adverb, and it shows how ideas relate to one another. Let's read these two sentences. It's time to go. I'm eating my breakfast. Both of these sentences make sense by themselves, but we can't see how the ideas connect. Now let's add the word however. It's time to go. However, I'm eating my breakfast. The word however now shows how eating my breakfast relates to the idea of time in the first sentence. Where you place the word however can affect the meaning of a sentence. It's time to go. I am, however, eating my breakfast. Placing the word however between am, which is now written in full, and eating now emphasizes that this is an unfinished action. Let's read the final sentence. It's time to go. I'm eating my breakfast, however. Here, however is tacked to the end of the sentence like an afterthought. Now notice the punctuation. However is always separated from the other words with a comma. From commas to semicolons, let's see how we can use this word and others with a semicolon. You'll recognise the first sentence, and the second sentence is the same except it has a semicolon. I've deleted the full stop, replaced it with a semicolon, and I've changed the capital letter H to a lowercase, and I've kept the comma. There are other transition words as well, and they work in exactly the same way. You might want to pause and read this list of transition words. Whilst you're reading, think about the words that you use the most. Now we'll look at some example sentences. These are some of the most commonly used transition words. I played tennis. Meanwhile, my friend was eating strawberries. I studied incredibly hard for the test. Consequently, I passed with 98%. I enjoyed the first half hour of a boring film. Finally, I turned off the television. Learning how to use these words with a semicolon and comma is an easy way to impress your teacher and an examiner. It's worth noting one important point. If the transition word is between a subject, who or what the sentence is about, and a verb, mostly doing words, no comma or semicolon are needed. For example, he then went home. Who went home? He, so he is the subject. What did he do? Went, so went is the verb. Then is from this list, and because it's in the middle of the subject and verb, no punctuation marks are needed. Finally, the word however can mean something else. It can mean no matter how. When it means no matter how, it becomes an adverb. Let's look at some examples. However hard you try, in other words, no matter how hard you try, it won't make a difference. However, no matter how beautiful you think your garden is, mine is better. However, no matter how you look at it, you'll find nothing wrong. As it says here, with all the above examples, however means no matter how. It's an adverb, not a transition word, so you don't need any commas. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to buy a copy of Mr. Bruff's Guide to Grammar, I've put the link in the description below. In the meantime, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.